Hello YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here. Today I'm going to show you how to add extra pull handles to your kayak. Now the thing I haven't figured out is why they only put one in the front and one in the back when it's really helpful to have them on the side as well. And it's actually very easy to add them, very inexpensive, and doesn't take a long time at all. And this is what you need to do it. If you don't have access to the underside of what you're applying it to, you need some of these boat rivets. This is the handle retainers. You need some silicone to seal up the holes. You need a rivet gun and of course a drill to drill a hole in the boat. So you want to pick your location where you're going to put this and then drill 2 holes where the rivets are going to go. Or if, like here, you can't access the bottom side, but if you were in a spot where you could, obviously you could use the bolts that come with it, and it's probably a little bit more secure when it's bolted, but the rivets hold just fine. So I was carrying the kayak by the side handle that I installed on the other side, so these are very sturdy. If you've never used a riveter, you just open it up all the way, place the rivet in, and then it kind of grabs, and then as you squeeze the handle it'll pull, and this will open up on this side. So basically it's going to sit in there like that, and what it does is it's got the washer on this side, it kind of creates a washer on that side. And like I said, it's very secure. And then we'll just put a dab of silicone. Rivet through there, push it all the way in, and just squeeze the handle. That's it. And then to eject, just open it up. Same on this side. And so you see that handle is on there really well. And you can wipe off the excess RTV or leave it on, it's really up to you. And then the pulls just go on like this, and you just kind of tie it in a knot, and there you go. You got handles on the side, which makes it a whole lot easier to maneuver your boat around, particularly for one person, because you can carry the boat one person from the side, but you can't, you have to drag it if you're pulling from the front or back. This is the other style of pull. So we have 2 different types of kayaks. The more expensive one has these rubber handle ones, but it works the same way. These just screwed right in, there's not a nut on the other side. However, if the screws weren't holding up for you, obviously you could rivet them like I did the others, but these screws so far have been holding up. Like I said, I've been able to carry it just with the one handle, so very happy with it. And like I said, it makes it a whole lot easier to maneuver around because I don't have a 10-foot span on my arms to reach one end of the kayak or the other, so usually I'm in the middle of the boat trying to grab a hold of it. So highly recommend, if you've got kayaks, add some side handles, you won't regret it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.